Welcome to this HelperGG video guide on setting up a custom HelperGG bot in your Discord server. This feature enables you to have a self-owned bot inside your server which carries all the functionality from HelperGG but enables you to customize it by changing properties like its name and icon. This is a feature which is exclusive to the Supreme Parent GG package, so please ensure that you have this upgrade before continuing. If you already have Supreme, we'd like to take a moment to thank you for supporting the bot's continued development and improvements. To get started, you'll need to navigate to the Discord developer portal. You can find a link to this in the written tutorial for easier access. Once you are at the developer portal, head to the new application button at the top of the page. Clicking on this should bring up a prompt to fill in the name for this application. The name entered here doesn't have to be the username of the bot, so feel free to set it to anything that you please. Click the create button once you've entered the name, and within the new application, head to the bots section on the sidebar. After this, the bot should be created and you can see all of the settings for it here. You're able to customize the bot's icon and username that will be displayed in your server. To get this bot set up with HelperGG, you first need to copy the client ID by navigating to the OAuth 2 button on the sidebar and selecting the copy button under the client ID. Now keep this copy to your clipboard until you use it later on in the next section. Now navigate back to the main bot page and make sure that the toggle for public bot is turned off. Having this turned off means that nobody else can add your bot to their server, which would cause issues with the bot functioning. Now you need to enable some intents which are required for the bot to work properly. So scroll down on this page and turn on the message content and server member intents. Without these enabled, the bot will not be able to start. Now it's time to invite the bot to the Discord server that you'd like to use it in. Navigate to this Discord Permissions Calculator webpage. You can also find the link for this in the written documentation. Move down to the client ID at the bottom of the page and paste in the client ID for your bot that you copied earlier. The only permissions that you need to enable here are administrator and use application commands. And once you've entered the client ID and enabled the correct permissions, click on the link that's been generated at the bottom of the page. This link opens up a Discord page which lets you invite the bot to your desired server. Simply select the server that you'd like to use for your custom bot from the drop-down and select continue. For this guide, we've created a simple empty server just for the demonstration. Once you've selected continue, you should now notice that the bot has joined your Discord server. We're now ready to move on to the final section. We're now coming towards the end of the setup process. To finish up, we head back to the Discord developer portal. Within your application, we need to copy the bot token, which we can find on the bot page from the sidebar. Make sure that you keep this token safe, as it's the private key that enables access to your bots. Head over to the Parent GG panel and log into the HelperGG bot section. Select the server that you're working on and head down to the Manage Supreme button on the sidebar. Select the Setup Supreme User button, which will launch a setup guide to help you through the final parts of your custom bot setup. The first part here will require you to paste your bot token that we copied into the text field. Select Next Step and enable the panel to ensure that all the correct permissions are set up for your bot. If you notice that something's not right, feel free to go back in this guide to see where you missed something. If everything's okay, now select Save Token. You may now need to wait 1 to 2 minutes for the custom bot to boot up and come online. Once the bot is online and functioning, the setup is now complete. We recommend that you resend your ticket tag embeds and also kick the old bot from your server as it's no longer required. Thank you for watching this HelperGG video guide. We hope that everything went smoothly and the guide was helpful to follow. Feel free to get in touch with us for any further support or questions by joining our Discord server at discord.helper.gg. Thank you very much for your support and we'll see you next time.